In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Yahoo Mail recovery page.
Hmm.
To start, you'll want to use Yahoo's official sign-in helper. This tool is essential for recovering your account. You can easily access it by typing the web address into your browser. That address is login.yahoo.com/forgot. Once you hit enter, you will land on the recovery page. This page is specifically designed to assist you with issues regarding account access. Once you open the page, the first thing you will see is a prompt asking for your Yahoo email address, recovery email, or recovery phone number. It's important to provide accurate information here. This ensures that Yahoo can locate your account quickly. Just type in your email address or phone number in the designated field. This is the first step in regaining access to your account. After entering your information, go ahead and click the Next button. This action is crucial as it initiates the recovery process. You will then be directed to the next step, where Yahoo will guide you through verifying your identity. This verification is a key element of the recovery process. It makes sure that only you can access your account, thereby keeping your information secure. Follow the instructions that appear on your screen to verify your identity and recover your account or reset your password. Yahoo uses this tool for both password resets and account recovery, which means it serves a dual purpose. Be attentive to the instructions as they may vary depending on your recovery options. This is important because it streamlines your recovery experience, making it as smooth as possible. If you happen to have forgotten your Yahoo ID, don't worry. You can also use the same recovery page to find it. Simply enter your recovery phone number or alternative email address. This feature is particularly useful if you are unsure of your Yahoo ID. By providing the necessary information, Yahoo will help you retrieve your ID so you can proceed with the recovery process. Next up, if you cannot access your recovery email or phone number, it's important to note that Yahoo may not be able to restore your account. This limitation emphasizes the need to keep your recovery information up to date. By doing this, you significantly reduce the risk of being locked out of your account. Regularly checking and updating your recovery options ensures that you have a reliable backup plan in place. For additional help with sign-in problems, Yahoo recommends its support page. You can find it at help.yahoo.com/kb/new Yahoo Mail/learn fix problems password Yahoo SLN 2051.html. This resource is invaluable if you encounter persistent issues during the recovery process. It offers in-depth solutions and guidance tailored to various sign-in problems. With that, you are now equipped to access the Yahoo Mail recovery page and successfully recover your account. Remember, taking these steps ensures that you can regain access to your email without unnecessary stress. This process is designed for your convenience, making it easier to manage your account securely. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in navigating the Yahoo Mail recovery process. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy emailing!